Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at PropellerAds, an advertising network found at PropellerAds.com. PropellerAds positions itself as a performance-driven platform, promising high conversion rates and a broad reach. Their focus appears to be on helping advertisers achieve tangible results, whether it's generating leads, driving sales, or boosting app installs. They emphasize several key features, including various ad formats, advanced targeting options, and a user-friendly interface. While the initial setup seems straightforward, managing and optimizing campaigns might require a bit more exploration to fully grasp all the functionalities. PropellerAds claims to have a vast network of publishers, which theoretically translates to a greater potential for reaching your target audience. They highlight their anti-fraud measures, aiming to ensure that advertisers' budgets are spent effectively and not wasted on fraudulent clicks or impressions. Different pricing models are likely offered to cater to varying budgets and campaign objectives. A deeper investigation into their pricing structure would be beneficial to understand the cost-effectiveness for different advertising strategies. It's worth noting that the actual performance of PropellerAds, like any advertising platform, likely depends on various factors, such as the quality of your ads, the relevance of your targeting, and the overall competitiveness of your niche. Further research and testing are recommended to determine whether PropellerAds aligns with your specific advertising needs and goals. Before committing significant resources, it's always prudent to explore user reviews and case studies to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the platform's strengths and weaknesses. This overview provides a starting point for your research, encouraging a thorough evaluation before integrating PropellerAds into your advertising strategy.